What up? Today we're making 24-volt battery packs for EMG equipped guitars. First we got some A23 battery holders. I got these on AliExpress. You could get them on Amazon, whatever. The A23 is a 12-volt battery. And I'm just super gluing those together, holding them in, and letting those set up till they stay. Got it all clamped up. Got this little tiny clamp. Works good. Now I'm putting just a normal 9-volt battery connector onto the top of the two glued together A23 battery holders. And I've got an EMG 89 in the bridge and an SAV in the neck of a 90s toothpaste logo Charvel that I love. And I'm not much of a metal guy. A lot of people think that's all the EMGs do, but I love me the single coils. It's a beautiful, beautiful sound. And I'm wiring the batteries up here in series, so we end up with 24 volts off of the two 12-volt batteries. And so I definitely find that the higher voltage makes the EMGs a little less compressed, maybe a little quicker in the sound quality. It's pretty subtle, and it's all subjective. But maybe this is something that piques your interest. And I definitely had no interest in trying to squeeze two normal 9 volts in like most people do for the 18-volt mod. And on my guitar, I just have one of those Goto kind of flip-top battery holders, and it fits fine. I haven't had really any serious fitment problems. And then if your guitar, if you got like a Strat and you're just stashing it under the pick guard into a clip, there should be no problem. No problem at all with this working for you. And, I know that I did not invent this. There is a guy that essentially sells the exact same thing, but, I like to make stuff myself because I'm that's just what I do. And here we go. I'm heat shrink tubing the leads. Really my favorite part of any electronics project or any excuse I have to use the heat shrink tubing. I'm just there with the heat gun, really feeling satisfied by that. And then I'm just kind of super gluing the leads down so I can epoxy the back of them to hold it all together. And I forgot to press the button while I put the epoxy on, so you just get to look at it, and you don't get to see me do it. And now I'm just, popping these batteries in there, and then you've got a 24-volt battery pack. And I've got a few extra of these, so if anyone is interested in purchasing one of these in the video, just shoot me a message and, make some for yourself or don't or whatever. Okay.